Alright guys, welcome once again to Home Workouts by Coach Remmy. For this workout, we are going to need 2 bottles and the fitness mat. We are going to work the chest, shoulders and triceps. The way we are going to do this workout, we'll be doing 40 seconds activity and resting 20 seconds. We have about 11 rounds. Alright, and if it's your first time on this channel, my name is Remmy. I'm a certified personal trainer dedicated to bringing you fun and challenging workouts you can do from the comfort of your home. So let's get right into our workout. We're going to warm the wrist. Okay, change direction of rotation. We'll use only 40 seconds. Let's do big circles with the hands. Going forward, going backward, and then let's finish with the elbow. So I'm just doing small circles, change direction. Beautiful. Now we're going to start with the push-ups. So choose the one you want. You can start with the full push-up or the half push-up. So each time you go until down and then you push up again, and the upper body from knees to upper body should remain as straight as possible. Next one, we're going this position where like this, and then we'll be extending the elbow joint. So elbows are bent, extended, bent, extended. The fingers are facing the toes. Working the triceps. So do some wrist mobility. We are going to half push-up. 40 seconds is a long time, but do as you wish. So half push-up. So we touch down, we clap, and then we bring the hand to push up again. Clap. We tap. Next thing is we're going to sit down and then we take the bottles. Now we do lateral raise, then we are rotating the hands. Palm facing up, palm facing down, palm facing up, palm facing down. half push-ups with shoulder tap, modified push-ups with shoulder tap. So lie down and then put the hands right below your shoulders. Now you push up, you shoulder tap, you go down, push up, shoulder tap with the other hand. If you feel like it's too easy, you can do the full push up. It's not a competition, it's always you versus you, not you versus your neighbor. Beautiful. Now we sit again. Take the bottles. Now we're doing overhead extension. Exhale. Arms are fully extended. Now we're going to shoulders again. Sit upright tall like this, or you can also sit like this, and then you do overhead press. Let's go. Look forward so that the spine stays in a straight position. Don't go like this. Final one for the push-ups, and then we stand up. Modified push-up. So start from lying down. Put your hands right below your shoulders, and then now push up. You push into the ground, and you extend the elbow. Going down, you flex the elbow. Beautiful. Let's go up. Take the bottles. Now we're going to do arms kickbacks. So you extend the elbow joint completely. Your hands stay close to your rib cage. Final round. The final round we do lateral raise. We come to the front, we lower the hands, and then front raise. We go to the lateral, we lower the arms. Let's go. Wonderful, guys. There you have it. Fun and challenging workout you can do at home. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Yes, guys, we did it. Every workout is a progress into a fitter self. See you in the next workout.